Hello everyone, I'm Xiaogan. This video mainly showcases two parts. The first part is that we have added synergy between items, combat, and attributes. Our items have random attributes. However, these attributes did not actually affect combat. This issue has been fixed now. The second part is that we optimized the single-handed sword combat mode. It's a bit absurd to think about. In the context of a medieval character, in this situation with these fantasy monsters, modern weapons were used for combat. The style is indeed a bit mismatched. Let's take a simple look at this, the theme. Then we also did some refactoring. For example, these things, this is weapon generation. This is items that can be picked up in the scene. The health recovery function hasn't been refactored yet. After picking up items, there is a hint message in the lower left corner. When picking up or equipping a weapon, we have a preset action. It is the action of drawing out the weapon. There should be an additional process for the weapon, which has not been implemented yet. Hide or make it disappear. We are not doing it now. Then switch to the pistol. This is a regular weapon. Regular weapons do not have many attributes. It only has basic attributes. For example, here it shows the maximum stack quantity. Here are different firearms. What are the attribute references for weapons? These attributes mainly include attack, defense, damage boost, damage reduction, dodge, parry, etc. The blood-sucking feature has not been implemented yet. Dodge and parry should be implemented. When dodge is triggered, damage will be lost. We haven't done further testing yet. This is a melee weapon. Weapons come with base damage, and different damages will stack. Removing all weapons, the character has a base of 20 points of damage. This weapon's random attribute has no damage. However, its base damage is 12 points. We can pick up weapons of different colors. The blue ones are actually not the highest level weapons. For the convenience of testing, let the attribute values of the blue weapons reach their maximum. For easier display, move the position slightly. We can see that multiple attributes of the blue weapons have been stacked. For example, damage, increased damage, and decreased damage, etc. Currently we have only done attribute testing for the main weapons. Okay, we have slightly improved the combat mechanics of the single-handed sword, and we now have different roll modules. It's different from our handgun's quick dodge skill. Then we go to the scene to test. We still use the cave scene. After entering the scene, the UI in the lower right corner is switched. There is a shotgun in the scene. We first pick it up to avoid our fire pair being insufficient to kill the BOS. To quickly refresh the BOS, just kill 3 zombies. Switch to the handgun. There is an air wall blocking out damage detection, to be modified later for the detection path. BOS has a right tongue. He plays the generated animation when he appears. The combat logic for the ghost needs to be rewritten later. This boss now has slightly high damage. This small zombie drops a handgun and bullets. Killing the boss can drop preset powerful weapons. The save system still needs deep restructuring to adapt to scene switching or initialization after character death thing. This is the sound of a submachine gun firing. Now we are running out of bullets. Indeed, using firearms in a medieval style can sometimes clash with the overall style. We should limit the effects of different weapons. We should also add different skill trees. Okay, thank you all.